Okay, class, please stand up for the prayer. Who can lead the prayer? Okay, Mr. Mangindalat, can you lead the prayer? Amen. So, once again, class, good morning. And I am your math teacher. And I am Bensar M. Kasim. So, before we start our topic for today, let us check the attendance first. Who is absent for today? Okay, very good. No one's absent for today. So, in my reminders class, don't talk in your classmate while in discussion. And if you are late in just 10 minutes, I will not allow you to enter my class. Is that clear, class? Okay, very good. So, let me read it to you, the hour objective. At the end of the lesson, grade 5 pupils should be able to A. Formulate the role in finding the next term in a sequence. So, our topic class, it's all about sequence. So, as you can see class, I have here a short video presentation. And you are going to listen and copy it.
A sequence is simply a set of numbers in a particular order, or a set of numbers which follow a pattern. The most basic example of a sequence is that of counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The numbers follow an increasing pattern. The 3 dots mean the list goes on forever and are referred to as the ellipses. The numbers don't necessarily have to be continuous to be a sequence. A list like 0, 5, 10, 15, and so on are also said to be in a sequence. What's the pattern here? Every number is increased by 5 to get the next number. A constant increment of 5. Let's take an example of a sequence which has an increment of 2. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. For your exams, there are just 2 things you need to know about any sequence. First, how do you find the nth term of a sequence? And second, how do you define the sequence? What do I mean when I say the nth term? Say I ask you the 31st term of the sequence. You have no time to write all the 31 terms to find that out. We need to have a formula, and yes, we have one. It is the first term plus n-1 times d. ft is the first term. N is the term number. So if we want to find the 31st term, we just substitute 31 in place of n. And d is called the difference between any 2 continuous terms. It's called the common difference. It's extremely simple to derive this formula, but you don't really need to know it for your exams. So don't dwell too much over it. In this example, as the first term is 1 and the common difference is 2, the nth term will be 1 plus n-1 times 2. How do we define a particular sequence? We just solve this further.
Okay class, let us review first. Who can recall what was the last topic yesterday? Okay, Miss Mabinay, can you recall what was the last topic yesterday? Okay, very good. So in your activity class, I will divide you into 5 groups and you are going to copy and answer this problem given. And you have only 20 minutes to do your activity. Is that clear, class? Okay, very good. So, all of you is done? Can you pass your activity, class? Okay. So, Miss Morales, how did you find and solve the activity? Okay, very good. How about you, Miss Narciso? How do you solve it? Okay, very good. So class, let us proceed. What is sequence? A sequence is a list of numbers or objects in a defined or logical order. So it is a patterns are repetitive and can be found in nature, shapes, events, sets of numbers, and almost everywhere you look. So class, please get your notebook and try answer this problem. Okay class, try answer this. Find the three terms of the sequence. Okay class, are you done? So I show you how to answer this problem given. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And 25 times 5 is equal to 125. And 125 times 5 is equal to 625. And 625 times 5 is equal to 125. And 1 to 5 times 5 is equal to 15. 1 to 5. Number 2. 1 times 10 equal to 10. And 10 times 10 equal to 100. And 100 times 1,000. 100 times 10 equal to 1,000. And 1,000 times 10 is equal to 10,000. And 10,000 times 10 equal to 100,000. And 100,000 times 10 is equal to 1 million. So, let us proceed class. Please get your one half sheet of paper and copy this problem given. And you have only 20 minutes to do your quiz. My class, all of you is done? Finished or not finished, pass your papers. Okay. And for your assignment class, please get your one whole sheet of paper and copy and answer this problem given. So are you done class? Okay, very good. Okay class, please stand up and goodbye.